Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to mount a 50-inch light bar onto your JK. Extra light on your JK will be great if you're on the trail and even on the road. So if you're looking to mount a 50-inch light bar, then today we're going to be looking at this 50-inch Rigid Industries light bar mount fitting your 2007-2018 Jeep Wrangler. This light bar mount features a premium steel construction, which is then finished in a satin black powder coat finish. It uses the existing mounting points on your Jeep JK's A-pillars to successfully mount a 50-inch light bar. It does include rubber gaskets, and there's no drilling or cutting required. So today we're going to install it on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to get started with the installation of our Rigid Industries light brackets. Now the first step is to remove your factory hardware. In our 2008 Jeep Wrangler, we have aftermarket hardware which requires a 13mm bolt. You'd normally use a T30 Torx bit to get your factory hardware removed. And now with the rubber gasket, you can actually pre-install it on the back. It doesn't use any tools or anything, just set it on there. That way when you put it on, it doesn't scratch up your paint. And we're using our aftermarket hardware to reinstall it, but you just reuse the factory T30 Torx bolts to reinstall yours. We're going to go through and just snug all these up and then come back and really tighten them down. And after you get all these tightened up, we're going to put the other bracket onto the passenger side and your installation is complete. So we just got the brackets installed and they look great. The only thing missing is a 50-inch light bar. The install time is super short at about 15 minutes, and the only tool you need will be a ratchet and a T30 Torx bit. Now you can find these light bar brackets as well as many other great parts for your JK here at cjponyparts.com.